who art in Zion, always be thy name. Thy kingdom come on earth, thine will be done on earth. Always be thy name.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
YouTube, good morning, I try stars. And in this video, right now, one of my subscriber asked me, oh, you reverse or you back up on a door when you go to pick up your load, right? You know, backing up is the biggest fear of all young drivers. Honestly, it was my fear one at the time. I'm not going to lie to you. You know what I mean? One at a time, I always wonder, oh, on earth, them get the back of the trailer. If you go to that direction, when it already you know, semi-attached to the truck. So all you have it, if you go the way or you want. You know, we'll put an explanation with that. We can get on to details in a different video. Well, basically, what I try to do now, I just like give a routine. Basically, like you know, the measures we me use when I go back up on a door. After you get a door number and everything, see? I go put on the necessary gears, camera, so that I can see. So when I go there now, I go find the door and then give me door 32. So I put on the next camera and then go on a demonstration how me do it. Alright, YouTube, this is it. First we have the door number. It says door 32. So basically, I look for door 32. Alright, so door 32 right there. So I normally go up on the side where I can manage. In a sense where me make sure I turn around the truck and do it on the good side. Do it on the side where I have more control over. The blind side, the reverse, is basically more time when you lose the trailer, you kinda put you up a way to catch it back. You know what I mean? To actually find the door. Alright, well I can't even turn the lock down that yard because that brother park. So I have to go do that blindside reverse at first, just to get to clear that trailer there. Yeah, 32. So here you go now. First, what me do, I'll tell you what me do. What me do is go as close as possible to the trailers are already parked on the door. See, we go as close as possible, like this close. you know. And as soon as I see my door number, right there, so 32. So as soon as I see my door number, right at my glass, we start with the lock to the right. If we can go all the way straight, that will be easy. We make the lock to the right, and as soon as we can't see the door anymore, me turn back to the left. I turn back to the left now, I stop, pull my handbrake, and then I go open the door. Understand? So, now I pull. Now, this is how you line up. Normally, when I do it like this, the back supposed to actually almost look like you can just go up on the door and done. You know what I mean? Back supposed to just go up on the door and done. Now, in the back of the truck smell like tire. So, then they give me one air freshener thing to spray around there. The back smell away. So I look feet right now, or see there? There's a one spot after fire. So alright. I don't know if you can follow me, but if you can see my rear view mirror, you can see me. Normally I just itch on the side of the seat like this. I half my body the outside. See? So this is how my reverse. You put in the left, the lock to the right, and the back will go to the left. Right? Now half of my outside as I say. So I already say outside clear, right? I'm gonna demonstrate this a different way, but for now, I kind of do it that way. Yeah. Now you have to watch from the other side if you touch anything. Alright, so this is it. Make sure you keep the lock until the start to the door. So then it starts to the door now, then you take time take out the lock, as in put it back to straight. You know? So now see, I go around nice and clean and decent and nice. You know, time to straighten up. If you see like you miss the door, you go forward. Yeah, it's like you miss the door, you go forward. Alright, this is it. see the clearance with the Volvo rearview mirror? That me like. You know, miss nothing. The mirror that's the right in front, you actually has to do what? Everything. That me like with the clearance. You know what I mean? So this is it. Easy one for you. That back up here and nothing really still, but we just do it. From now on, we're gonna start with some backup video on doors. So this is just the first one. You know, when they line up on the door, sometimes you want to go check if the line up properly. Because sometimes they that lean and really you don't know where they are. Sometimes they that lean. Never miss your gloves. Never leave your gloves. All right. I got to go look. All right. Perfect. See it? Perfect. Now, in this, they have rules and regulation. So basically, you have to unhook the trailer. You have to unhook the trailer, open the door and go park one side. So basically, I'm going to just unhook the trailer right now and go park one side. That's how they want. That's how they request. So you don't know. Unhook. 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 It should have it. Now to drop it, let out the ear. Alright, so basically that's it. Thanks for tuning in, TriStars, and as I said, I'm gonna do more videos like these. So this is just the first one. You know, more time when we go to a pickup, I'm gonna try to do some backing up videos. You know, on the door, I'm gonna try get them in. You know, step by step, do it even more smooth and cleaner than this. This is just the first one, but we just try a fight and see if you don't like it or whatever. Anyway, big up on yourself, TriStars that check in, you don't know, new drivers, old drivers, just fresh, you don't know, I say things to you, but more, I do them video for the new people and we find the trucking interested, or I think about it, but them just want to know how to go in and how to operate, how to start. So that channel here, this is what we're about, you know? This is what we're about. Respect and thanks. Big up. Yes, YouTube, TriStars trucking, as I'm saying. Yeah, that was one of many backup videos, you know, to come. Because I'm saying, I just do a fight now because one of my subscribers messaged me and say that I'm biggest fear, you know. So because I'm biggest fear and I'm a subscriber, I'm gonna do anything, any necessary action so that him can catch on and have an idea. Because once you have an idea, you know exactly how it operates. So I'm gonna do more. As I said, this is just a warm-up, backup video. You have some place where you look really tight. You have some place where you have too much space actually. You understand? And anytime I get too much space, I realize I start, you know, I go all over the place. Maybe me have too much place to ramp with. I'm have so focus like when you have two trailer to go between and it well close. So you make sure say you know you get it right. But other than that, yeah, that's it. That's it for now. Tune in, subscribe, you don't know, share, as I may say, leave some comment, tell me what I go on. I'm a veteran, let me know what I never do right, because I don't know, me still have room for learning now. So don't tell me what I go on. I'm a veteran them where in the thing long time, and don't tell me phone tip, tell me on a backup trailer, tell me on a position on yourself for the door. Tell me, you know, let me see what I go on. Big up on yourself. Try
For more videos like this, please subscribe.